Hey everyone, looks like the war is pulling down the stock markets, but it isn't as bad as it is earlier this morning. Right now, it's 1.66% down for the Nasdaq. Earlier on, it was like down to like 2.6 at its worst. So what's interesting is Coinbase has really been resilient to this relative to other stocks, tech stocks, that it has only gone down by a little bit here. As you can see, it fought back really hard. And the reason why we're talking about Coinbase is we sold the contract yesterday. The strike price for our contract is $200. So we're still looking very good. And what's interesting is MongoDB reported earnings yesterday. We didn't make a play for it, but man, the stock tanked really hard. It went all the way down to 230 this morning. It's recouping some of the losses, and it's basically this a lot of software stocks are being unloaded due to the fear of AI eating into their future earnings and growth. And MongoDB, I guess, is no exception because the Atlas platform, which is their the SaaS platform, is didn't show strong accelerated growth as the street was hoping for, but it's recovering now. It's still down quite a bit. Don't get me wrong. I mean, it's just relative to how low it was this morning. It's much better. But okay, yeah. It's and yes, I want to mention it beat their fourth quarter, which was what they reported, their 2026 fourth quarter. They killed it, but the upcoming quarter, first quarter of 2027. I know some of these companies are they're on the 2027 year. It was guided a little bit on the light side, and definitely Atlas was kind of a concern. Yeah, so you can see we sold the contract for $200 strike price, and now it's worth 74 cents. So we're in the profit zone of 282. I was mulling this over whether to close this out, wait for to see if Coinbase goes further up, and then sell the contract again. But sometimes I do this, and sometimes it works out. Other times, by the time the upside arrives, and then you want to sell the contract, the premium doesn't really go up that much. And so in this case, I think I'm just going to say I'm going to leave it as is. It's 180 right now. It looks like it's going back down. If it falls down, maybe we can close it out and hope for to get something else. Like if this goes down, like right now, the mark's at 75.5 cents. Maybe if it goes down significantly to, I don't know, 30 cents or something like that, I'll close it out and wait for something else to come around. But it's kind of tough trade, given the war and everything's gone down relatively so much. Because the thing is, I guess what worries me is if there's a sharp whiplash on the upside, then that could be dangerous for us if our goal is just to make money off the premium and pocket the premium completely. So we would have to probably close it out and then wait if it did go down before we can and wait for something to appreciate so that we can jump on it. But as I'm looking across the board, I don't really see anything at the moment. Okay, so yeah, if anything, actually, if Coinbase did go up and we didn't get a chance to unload, but we had more ammo, if we wanted to count on potentially relying on margin, then we'd sell more contracts, I would think, for Coinbase. Anyways, that's my thoughts. So yeah, I just want to give you an update. We're just going to sit here and wait to see what happens. I think the market is coming back, and if that's the case, maybe there will be something else that we can make a play for and close up this Coinbase position. All right, that's it for today. Don't forget to like if you do, and I'll catch you next episode.